Hi, I'm Terri from Northeast Healing Arts. So, what is specialized kinesiology? Well, there's a term called applied kinesiology that has been reserved for medical doctors or those who hold a license to diagnose and treat. The kinesiology that I teach you in this workshop is similar, but we call it energy kinesiology or, as I use, specialized kinesiology. What we're going to do is learn how to test the body through the different various muscles of the body. And we're going to find out how to gain feedback about the internal status of the body. This is very, very complementary to massage therapy because in massage, you're working with the muscles, you're trying to balance, you're trying to change the posture, correct deviations, trying to decrease inflammation and increase range of motion and mobility and just help people to feel overall better. Well, that's not always good enough by just working on the outside. Sometimes you have to work from the inside out. And that's what I'm going to teach you how to do in the Specialized Kinesiology online workshop. I'm going to teach you several different techniques, working with the neurolymphatic system of the body, neurovascular holding points, which are connected with your circulatory system. I'm going to teach you how to work with the acupressure system and gait reflexes. We're going to also learn how to identify when there's an emotional root to some of the physical problems that our clients are experiencing. If you'd like to get more information about my online workshop and how you can learn some of these powerful techniques and incorporate them in with your massage, go to northeasthealing.com and you'll find out all the information there about my online workshops. Be healthy, be well, and be balanced.